Hey, how's it going? This is Zane with the Ford Wheelchair Repairs and Parts. I had a customer, he was interested in buying this joystick. This is an RNet joysticks for either Quickies, Permobils, or Sunrise model chairs. Part number for this chair is D5, I'm sorry, can't really see it. D51635.02. This was made in 2018. The serial number is D51635.02. And I'm going to go ahead and test it on this. I think this is a Ravi. Yeah, a Rovi. It has the RNet connection, so it will work. So let me go ahead and connect this real quick in here. 1 minute. Do that. All right, it's loaded. Works. Here's your speed. Profile 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this eye leveler? No, this doesn't have that option. The tilt option. Oh, it does have the option. All right, so that concludes testing. Again, everything works. There's no issue with this joystick. Everything is good. All right.